Hi, to check battery level of your Marshall Monitor 3 A.N.C, as a first step, make sure that your headphones are turned on. For that, you will need to take a look at this indicator. If it's light up white, then your headphones are on. If you press this button to turn them on and the indicator is just turned off, then your headphones are discharged. So, if you got an Android phone, you can go in the phone settings, then in Bluetooth, select your device, and here you'll be able to check the battery percentage. But if you got an iPhone, like in my case, you can always go in this Marshall Bluetooth app, make sure that your headphones are connected to this app, and now right in this upper panel you would see the battery percentage of your headphones. So for example, I got 65%. And the last way how we can check it is to take a look at this indicator. When it's white, then your headphones are almost fully charged. When it's orange, then they are half charged, and if it's red, then they are almost discharged. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.